Do you ever wonder about Cinco de Mayo and what people do and eat to celebrate? Stay tuned. Hi, village!
Hi, guys!
Welcome to our table. Today we're celebrating Cinco de Mayo with tacos. Today I have beef fajita tacos, and Sierra has...
I have al pastor tacos. And then these are al pastor tacos from H-E-B.
Show it in the... She's got some with flour tortilla and some with corn. And we have some lime.
Nothing came out of that.
Gonna spritz on here. Ooh, a lot came out of that one. Do you want my other lime? You can have it if you want it. It's right there. Yum. So we went back to our new favorite taco place, El Senor Taco. Ooh, what?
The dog. Here's ball.
Oh, do you hear that? That's a great ASMR moment.
Our dog's trying to play with us right now.
He's throwing his ball. This green sauce is spicy. Ooh, I just poured a ton in there. I'm probably gonna regret it. For Cinco de Mayo, people celebrate it in all different kinds of ways. They barbecue or cook whatever kind of food or comida. Comida is Spanish for food. They eat whatever they want. Whatever they normally would cook at home or go to any Mexican restaurant. Have big family gatherings or not. You just go to a restaurant and have some good food and maybe a beer or a margarita. Oh, do you want to pray? Yeah. Dear Heavenly Father, we just thank you for this community. Thank you for all of our subscribers. And please bless them and bless this to the nourishment of our bodies. Amen.
Amen.
All right. Here we go. Can you see that? That is so good. Let's see if you
She's
can...
saying hi, guys. Say hi.
Hi! Oh, he's like, oh, I was so close to getting some food. Mmm. Mm-hmm. She likes the red sauce and I like the green sauce.
I like both mostly.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, you do like the green too. I don't really like the red most times.
Mm-hmm. Oh. I keep having to tilt my head. It hurts so bad.
She has an appointment to get her wisdom teeth out.
Yes, I had to change shirts. I feel like every time we film, I spill something on me.
And then she doesn't want to wait till at the end to change her shirt because then it'll leave a stain.
So that's why I wear t-shirts all the time. So I have one of the H-E-B ones.
And it's pastor as well. And it's pork. It's just a different seasoning than just plain fajita. Mm.
I didn't want that.
So if you're not from California, New Mexico, Arizona, Texas, you may not know what Cinco de Mayo is. really. It's not Mexican Independence Day or Mexico's Independence Day. It's actually the battle at Puebla. And when this occurred, the French army were fighting, and Napoleon had sent his forces to take over and fight in Mexico. And so basically there was just a ragtag team of soldiers and villagers and townspeople that basically they came together and they defeated the French army. And so that's the significance of Cinco de Mayo. And it said that had Napoleon's army won at the Battle of at Puebla, that their next stop was coming into the United States. So.
Little history lesson for you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it hurts.
And it's a great lesson of how a small group of people can come together and fight for what's right and for their people, their country.
You gotta fight. Oh, you're right. Goodbye.
Sierra's singing a little Beastie Boys over here.
This thing just like completely fell apart on me. I'm so bad. What are you drinking? Are you drinking my drink?
No, I have a little array of drinks over here. So I'm not a huge drinker, but in honor of Cinco de Mayo, I have a very non-Mexican drink. Although I like Blue Moon. I didn't get a Dos Equis or Modelo or anything like that. But I have a Blue Moon. It's good.
With my finger. You gotta fight. Oh, you're alright.
I feel like the green sauce isn't as hot as it.
Well, I usually
sometimes
put two. But.
Is the red sauce hot?
Yes and no.
The last time we ate there, her green sauce, they were like seriously mad at some people. And that really the only difference in the taste of the green and the red is the red is more tomatoey tasting, sort of. And sometimes someplace their red is more spicier than the green, and other places the green is more spicy. So you never can tell.
I don't taste tomato.
No?
Hold on. I got food stuck in my tooth. I don't taste tomato. It may just be me. I don't know. I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna have that song stuck in my head all night.
Me too now. We should have got more than 5 tacos. Because they're little bitty. Look how little.
So I wonder how they're like. If you can get flour.
Maybe.
I feel like flour would cost more.
Oh, I have 2 more.
I have too much.
But look how little. So I have little hands and.
What's my name? Back. Way back. I was listening to that J-Lo song earlier.
Which one?
I'm Real.
The old one with Ja Rule?
Yeah, him. I was gonna say DMX, but I know that's not real. That is not the right name. Ja Rule is gorgeous. That's all I'm saying. He's old enough to be my dad, but he is gorgeous. Is he older? Or is he like your age?
I don't know. He might be a little bit younger than me.
I feel like I'm having to chew so slowly now.
I definitely don't want to eat crawfish with you.
No, because it's like it's risen. So when I bite down on the extra skin and it hurts.
Raised, like skin?
Yeah, like it's like a little ball back there. It's really gross, but I have to chew so slow now.
Just try it on the other side.
I am on the other side.
Oh.
But when I bite down, I bite on it, regardless of what side I'm on.
Lucky wants a little treat.
We got those for like $1 at CVS, I think. Weren't they like $1?
I think so. Small little treats for our small little dog.
I don't know why you break them up.
I don't know, because I feel like he just doesn't. He doesn't chew as it is. So I feel like if I break it up for him. Ooh, okay, I lied. That red sauce, my mouth is starting to be a little bit on fire.
Would you dip it in a couple of times? So guys, I'm thinking of dyeing my hair like blonde and then like natural on this side. It's a trend. People dyeing like their hair 2 different colors. I might get into it. Excuse me. Or I can save my money and get more tattoos. One or the other.
I don't mind that.
One will make me, both of them will make me happy, so. And plus there's a new tattoo shop coming up at our house. I'm excited. What's the most of spent on tattoos? I think,
Me?
No, me. I think 80. 8.
But that was like 2 or 3
No.
little ones.
My paw print was 80.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, 80. It was one of those, hey, let's go get a tattoo after a concert night. Yeah, it was one of those nights.
Ooh, this is spicy.
But at least it's something that I didn't regret the next day. Wait, no, that makes it sound like I was drunk or something. I was not drunk. I don't really like alcohol.
She doesn't.
I'm like a wine cooler type of girl. Other than that, I don't like it. You ain't gotta worry about me. But on my 21st birthday, I do want to try every single drink.
She wants to throw up.
Just so I can say I tried it, you know?
Not in one night.
Yeah, just get out of the way.
You will throw up.
If I have one sip,
Oh, well, I don't know. Maybe.
I'm not gonna drink all of it.
Yeah, but still, all the different kinds. That's asking for trouble. All the different liquors and in one night.
Is Seagram's a wine cooler?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So.
Seagram's is my drink. You're making me happy. That's the only thing I've ever liked. Like, that's the only thing. But I only do it at home, guys. Drink responsibly.
And she'll have like one.
I have like one. And then I'll go
Like
like
a
2
four-
months
a
without
4-pack
drinking one.
has- lasts forever.
Yeah. I think a 4-pack has lasted me like 5 months. Like I just don't drink like that. I did have a can of one at her birthday, and that was it. That was it. Like I just don't drink. I just don't like it.
Let me have a bite of your pastor. I'm not a pastor person. Let me see.
That guy who commented.
Like he wanted it. See, it's got a red.
Yeah, it has like that guy who commented nice belches. My kind of dude. I try not to belch, you guys. I try to be ladylike. It just comes out. That sounds gross, but it
I don't
does.
like the. I'm sorry.
You don't?
Mm-mm.
But this one is a little dry compared to how it was last time.
I don't know. It's not bad. It's just a different seasoning that I just
It
don't
tastes
like.
like fajita to me. I'm crazy. It tastes like fajita to me. Like all the crabs taste the same to me.
She thinks snow crab and
Snow crab.
Dungeness
Snow
crab
crab.
taste the
It sounded
same.
like he was crying. Snow crab, Dungeness crab, king crab, they all taste the same to me. Except for shrimps. Like regular shrimp and Argentina shrimp, they don't taste the same at all. No, that's a no. But even the apples, all the apples taste the same.
No, they don't.
To me, they do. I just like the red ones. I don't like the green ones.
Let the lesson of Cinco de Mayo, or the battle at Puebla, be a lesson for all of us.
Yeah.
That when a few people put their minds together and come together in unity, that we can accomplish anything. And
Si se puede.
yes, si se puede.
That's like one of the only words I know in Spanish.
And that's something that I tell her all the time too, is that, you know, as her mom and as her family, I'm always going to be by her side. Even if she messes up, I'll tell her and be there. And, you know, when you have that support system and that support group and you come together for a common cause and you do the right thing, then you can succeed. Okay, I'm off my soapbox now. Leave a comment about your favorite foods or a favorite Mexican place. We'll try it. We'll cook it, or we'll go there and see how it goes. Thank you to all of our new subscribers. And
our new villagers.
I like villagers. Yes. My mouth is on fire from that red sauce. I lied. It's hot, but not as hot as our spicy wing challenge that we did.
That was bad.
Woo!
My stomach was hurting.
Yeah, that was really bad.
bad.
I'll link the video up here.
Yes.
But don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video drops. And be sure to give us a thumb
When
up.
it drops.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah,
Drops.
when it drops. But you guys, stay tuned for our next video. See what we have in store for y'all. Bye.
Bye.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.